Hey, Swarnali Bhattacharya. I am Vio, your personal AI mentor. What can I assist you with today?
Can you help me with initializing a Git repository?
I can definitely help with that. To make sure I give you the most relevant advice, could you tell me what operating system you're using, such as Mac OS, Windows, or Linux?
I'm using
Also, have you...
Windows.
Great. To initialize a Git repository on Windows, you'll want to 1. Open your command prompt or Git bash in the directory where you want to create the repository. 2. Type Git init and press enter. This will create a new .git subdirectory in your project directory, which contains all of the necessary repository metadata. Try that, and let me know if you see any errors or need further assistance.
What's the next step?
Okay, now that you've initialized the Git repository, the next step is typically to add your project files to the repository. You can do this by using the command giteddy to add all the files in the current directory, or gitadd to add a specific file. After that, you'll want to commit your changes with a message using git commit, your commit message. This saves your changes to the repository with a description of what you've done. Does that make sense?
It does. What should be my first? I just wrote the commit as first commit. Does that works?
First commit works perfectly fine as a commit message for your initial commit. It's a common and clear way to indicate that this is the first set of changes being saved to the repository. After you've added your files using gitadd, go ahead and use git commit'em, first commit, to save your changes. Let me
Okay.
know if you encounter... Are you running into any issues, or were you able to successfully create the commit?
I just used another one. I just created a repository on GitHub.
Ah, I see. So you want to connect your local repository to the remote repository on GitHub?
Yes.
Okay. To connect your local repository to GitHub, you'll first want to copy the remote repository URL from GitHub. Then, in your local repository, use the command git remote add origin repository URL. This sets up the connection to your remote repository. After that, you can use git push u origin main to push your local changes to the remote repository. The U flag sets up the upstream tracking so you can use git push and git pull in the future without specifying the remote and branch. Does that all make sense?
It does. Let me just do it.
Sounds good. I'll be here if you run into any issues or have questions.
Okay, next I have to git push, right?
Yes, that's correct. After you've added the remote origin, you'll use git push to send your local commits to the remote repository on GitHub. Did you run the
Oh,
command git push u origin main?
I didn't git I didn't do the command
Okay.
git branch, so I have to do it again, right?
Not necessarily. You only need to add the remote origin once. If you've already added it, you can skip that step and just run the git push u origin main command to push your changes. Have you already run the git remote add origin repository URL command?
Yes, I have.
Great. Then you're all set to run a git push u origin main. This will push your local branch to the remote repository you set up. Let me know if you encounter any errors or need any adjustments to the command.
Okay, it was done. Thank you.
Awesome. Glad I could help you connect your local repository to GitHub. Is there anything else I can help you with today? We have
Not
about 2 minutes.
necessarily. Thank you.
Happy I could help with connecting your local repository to GitHub. Have a
Okay,
wonderful day.
thank you.
Thanks for chatting. Take care.